Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to render a video in davinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. So right here we are in davinci Resolve. So I'm using Studio 19 right now as you can see, but this still applies to davinci Studio 18. So all you have to do is go here to this rightmost tab, which is deliver. From there you will have your custom exports. So here this is where you will render your video in davinci Resolve regardless of the version. So here you will have your MP4 format, H2.64, you have your H2.65, you have your ProRes 422HQ, and you have your YouTube, and right here you can add the render queue. So once you add it to render queue, you want to press render all from there, and then rendering will be in progress in no time, and it will be saved in the folder that you have chosen, as you can see right here. So you can choose the folder here in the location. So that is how you render your video in davinci Resolve 18. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.